Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to do a magic trick. I've got a lot of emails saying, oh, how do you do it, is it fake? These are real locks. You can see them there, they are completely genuinely real, and this is what I'm going to be handcuffed to, so I need your help. If you want to handcuff me into there, just like up to the webcam.
As you can see, I'm just putting that one in. If you just want to push the other shackle in.
Just like show them.
Just got it in right there, and I'm gonna click it into place. That one's on, as you not fake. All done.
Can you see? Now, if you want to do the other one.
Yeah.
Oops. Because I've got a lot of emails saying, oh, that's fake handcuffs. Now,
prove this isn't. They're both in, they're both shackled, you just saw us do it.
You know, can you see that? Can you see that I am truly...
I'll try and pull it for, if you just show them. Oh god, you can't pull that.
And can you see there?
It's fully padlocked on.
There's the padlock. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to make this as easy as I possibly can and as simple as I possibly can. I was really locked into it, and there is a secret, but that's what we call magic.